I would like to show you some features or the fuel consumptions that currently in my bike it is showing 33.6 kilometer per liter the fuel consumption. Actually the mileage of this bike for the 306 kilometer. And I would like to tell you that how I have got this kind of mileage, because usually you have seen in the internet, in the YouTube, in everywhere, some bikers and some bike produce around 20-25 kmph per liter. So how I have got that much of mileage from this Royal Enfield 450 even before the first servicing? So you must see one of the crucial features of this Himalayan 450 is the fuel consumption. So that's the thing that indicate your riding style versus the fuel consumption, through which you can guide yourself, you can adapt how you can control the fuel consumption, how you can reduce the fuel consumption. So that's the way you can habituate, you can do the best of your potential to decrease the fuel consumptions. Currently, as you have seen, that my fuel consumption showing 50 to 40 kmph per liter. So that's the way I'm getting that much of mileage. You have to try this, you have to try this even whenever you're riding, so that your riding style will be better and you will be much more responsible to the fuel consumption. It's our responsibility. We have to save the fuel for our environment and for the nature. So that's how I have got, you see, 40 60 40 60. So that's my riding style. So if you ride smoothly, like you do not accelerate that much, if you do not punch your accelerator so fast, so you can easily get that much of mileage from your bike. I have seen some people riding in the like highway, in the street, like they're rushing their bike. Yeah, it's okay, Himalayan 450, it has a great potential, but you have to understand one thing: whenever you are pulling the bike, the force is equivalent to the fuel consumption. As much as you give the throttle, the fuel consumption will be much more higher, and most of the time the fuel consumption is higher at the initial stage, as I have already explained in my previous video about this feature, fuel consumptions of Royal Enfield. So you can go through that video. I will put the link in the description box, and that's how you will get most of the efficiency from your fuel injector. I think I have already explained this. Happy riding and ride safe, stay safe. Tada, bye bye, see you in our next video.